Hello everyone, this is Prabhashri, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to see about discrete mathematics, logic and proofs. So we are now going to see about some basic definitions in logic and proofs. So first one is a proposition. So proposition is nothing but if a sentence, declarative sentence, either it can be a true or false but not both. For example, if Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, is a true statement. If we say that Delhi is the capital of America, that may be a false statement. Okay, so if we are raising a question, maybe a jasmine is white in color, we know that, but we are raising a question like jasmine is red or blue, then we don't say that it's a true or false, we will say the answer only. So but in that condition it's not a preposition, it belongs to a non-preposition condition. So for coming to the non-preposition definition is questions, exclamation and then commands are called non-preposition. So we can't say true or false, it leads to a non-preposition conditions. So do you speak English? It will be a question. So we can say either yes or no for this answer, but we can't say true or false in this content. So like this we will say this as a non-preposition. Okay, so obey my words is a command, so it be a non-preposition condition. So there are now we are going with the types of preposition, that is a primary. First one is primary. So declarative sentence which cannot be further split into a simplifier sentence. So simple sentence is called a primary or atomic or simple sentence. We know that what are the simple sentence? It contains subject, verb, object or SVO. So Rama is a boy, so there is a subject and then it's a boy. So rose is beautiful flower. So these are a simple sentence. So preposition in primary preposition or simple preposition is a simple sentence which is called a simple preposition. So according to the common preposition, so combining sentences, a statement which contain one or more primary statement. For example, in spite of Ram's busy schedule, he attended the exam. So here there are two sentences, they combined the sentence. We can split the sentence as Ram has a busy schedule. Ram attended the exam. So these are the two simple sentences. We combine the two simple sentences as here. It's in spite of Ram's busy schedule, he attended the exam, like that. So the next example is lotus is pink flower and also it is the national flower of India. So here we can split this sentence as a simple sentences. So lotus is a pink flower, that is a one sentence, and the second one is lotus is the national flower of India. This is the second sentence. So we are combining the two sentences using and. So lotus is a pink flower and it is the national flower of India is a compound sentences. So simple sentences is a primary, atomic or simple preposition. For compound sentence, so combining a primary statement is called a compound sentence. So let us see some more examples in propositions. So 1 plus 6 equal to 7 is true or false. We know that 1 plus 6 equal to 7 is true. So 1 plus 2 equal to 6 means it's a false. So which is called a propositions. For non-proposition we will say that question like we can't say true or false, either it may be yes or no questions like that, or we have to obey the order like that. Okay, so coming to the point, our next definitions is connectivities. So connectivity is an operation which is used to connect the sentences. So connect the sentence or compare the sentence. So we are called that as a connectivities. So we know that connectivity, what are the connectivity in English? We know that and, or, if and only if then, like that we know the connectivity. So we are going to apply those connectivity in the mathematics. Let us see in the next one. Thank you.